Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove the stylus on a Stylophone beat, and this will be a tutorial for beginners. So without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have a Stylophone beat. I got this pretty recently and I've only had a little bit of a chance to sort of fool around with it and experiment with it and make some beats with it. I've probably used it for about half an hour, but yeah, I really love it, and I just wanted to make some tutorial videos with it. And basically, one of the easiest things that I can teach you how to do that I learned that is really beneficial is removing the stylus in a way that I consider to be properly. Because for a little bit, I was trying to like take the stylus out because I was playing with it, I fooled around with it. And I have 4 young kids. I say young kids, but they're not even that young anymore. Yeah, just, you know, I'm so used to saying I have 4 young kids, but they're not even that young. Some of them are young. The younger ones are young, but the older ones are not even that young anymore. Anyways, I have 4 kids, so I promised them, I said, you know what, guys, if you behave well, at the end of the night, you guys can all play with this. And we did this, because of the way that we were putting them to bed. My wife and I kind of, we divide the workload in half. So one of us will take 2 kids, the other one of us will take the other 2 kids. And because of their age differences, the 2 older kids will go to bed slightly later, like 50 minutes later than the 2 younger kids. So because of the timeline of how our lifestyle operates, excuse me, 2 of the kids got to try it one night, and the other two kids got to try it another night, and they really enjoyed playing with it. But one thing that I learned, excuse me again, I'm sorry, I have some gas, so I do apologize. I have to excuse myself because I'm a polite person, okay? So, excuse me. We got that out of the way. Now we're good. Hopefully it doesn't happen again. We are moving on. So anyways, I was trying to like get the stylus out, and I'm like, couldn't get it out. I'm really fighting with it. And then I learned, okay? So, between me using it myself and then letting, 2 of my kids play with it and then the other 2 kids play with it, I learned how to do it in what I consider an easier way. So you can see there's the tip of the stylus. We're going to follow it down here. This is like, I guess, the end of the stylus that you don't use. We're going to press on this. So watch what happens when I press on this. When I press on that, it pops that tip out of place. And then now I can remove the stylus like that. And I believe the reason that it happens, I did notice a small thing. It's kind of hard to see. There it is. You can kind of see there's a little, thing that sticks out over here, little simple piece that sticks out over here. And if you look, I think that's the reason why I can do that. So if I press on this side, that thing acts as a little fulcrum, like a teeter-totter, right? So if I push on this side, if I push down on this side ends up popping up. You push down here, this side pops up, okay? Really easy to do, and it made it so much easier. Instead of fighting with the stylus, it made it so much easier. So when you put the stylus in, you push it down, right? You're like, okay, instead of trying to really get it out, because you can see it's basically flush. So instead of trying to fight with it over here, you just go to this end over here, you push it down, and it pops out. Look at that. It's so easy. Now you just grab it easily like that. Very easy to do. I know this video could have probably been like very short, but I really wanted to give you an idea of not only how to do it, which I demonstrated and explained, but also the storyline behind me like figuring it out. Because I kept fighting with the stylus trying to get it out, and then I figured out this little trick, and I'm like, wow, I think that's how it's supposed to be done as far as I know, but it works so well. It's very simple. It just makes it so much easier. Just like that, just pops out of place. Very easy. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you can make use of it. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed my little story time as well. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video overall in terms of everything about the video. But hopefully you enjoyed it. Yeah, that's it. I've said that enough. So honestly, other than me hoping that you've enjoyed the video, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.